Today we will practice single nostril breathing, that is Suryanuloma Viloma Pranayam and Chandranuloma Viloma Pranayam. Inhale through one nostril and exhale through the same nostril. In Suryanuloma Viloma Pranayam, inhale through the right nostril and exhale through the right nostril only. While doing Suryanuloma Viloma Pranayam, you have to close your left nostril with your right ring finger. In Chandranuloma Viloma Pranayam, you have to inhale through the left nostril and exhale through the left nostril only. In both the single nostril breathing, the time taken for exhalation should be longer than the inhalation. What are the benefits of this single nostril breathing? At physical level, these pranayam help in clearing of the nasal passages. With a regular and a long practice, flow of breath through each of the nostrils becomes smooth and slow. In therapeutic benefit is, it's very useful for nasal allergy. Suryanuloma Viloma helps in reducing the obesity effectively, and Chandranuloma Viloma help in increasing weight. For specific significant improvement, the recommended schedule is to have 27 rounds of this pranayam 4 times a day. That is before breakfast, lunch, dinner and before going to bed. Systematic practices have benefited large number of obese and underweight persons to achieve normal weight. But remember one thing, you have to drink lots of water to avoid dehydration of your body. The spiritual benefit of this pranayam is cleaning of Surya and Chandra nadis, the first step to bring the balance between the two nadis. They aid in unfolding of the inner layers of the consciousness. Now, let's see the limitations of this pranayam, that is limitations of Suryanuloma Viloma and Chandranuloma Viloma pranayam. For Suryanuloma Viloma pranayama, people suffering from high blood pressure, any heart disease and underweight problem should avoid this practice. For Chandranuloma Viloma pranayama, people suffering from obesity and any type of allergy should avoid it. Now, let's move on to Suryanuloma Viloma and Chandranuloma Viloma pranayam. First, let's start with Suryanuloma Viloma pranayam, that is right nostril breathing. Inhale through the right nostril and exhale through the same right nostril only. Close your left nostril with your right ring finger and keep your left palm in Chin Mudra, that is touch your thumb and index finger of your left palm on your left thigh. Left palm facing the roof. Let's start the practice. Inhale through right. Exhale through right. 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 Relax. Feel your right nostril. Your Surya Nadi is activated. Now, let's move on to Chandranuloma Viloma Pranayama. That is, inhaling through left nostril and exhaling through the left nostril only. Now, close your right nostril with your right thumb throughout the practice. Let's start the practice. Inhale through left. Exhale through left. 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 Relax. Feel your left nostril. Your Chandra Nadi is activated. Now, let's balance our breathing by Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. We'll do 7 rounds of Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam by holding our breath. Inhale for 4 counts, hold your breath for 4 counts and exhale for 6 counts. Let's start the practice. Now close your right nostril with your right thumb. Now inhale left 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale right 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale left 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale right 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale left 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale right 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale left 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale right 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale left 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale right 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale left 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale right 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale left 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale right 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale left 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Feel your nostrils. Your breathing is balanced now. You can feel the relaxation and calmness. Next, we'll further enhance our breathing by chanting Brahmari, that is chanting of Makara gently. We'll chant 7 rounds of Brahmari. Inhale deeply and while exhaling chant sound. Now close your ears with your index finger. Inhale. Relax. Feel the vibrations of Brahmari in your head region. Enjoy the vibrations for a while. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out.